There is a huge difference between panic selling and strategic rebalancing. Today, I made a move that might look like I'm exiting tech, but in reality, I'm just putting my money to work, where the immediate opportunity is highest. I just sold 13 shares of AMD at $231.51, 10 shares of Meta at $702.62, and 15 shares of Amazon at $236.05. That's roughly $13,500 in liquidity generated in a single morning. But before the permabulls get worried, let me be clear, I am still a believer in big tech. I want to emphasize that I haven't completely exited these companies. I still hold AMD, Meta, and Amazon in my long-term portfolio. These are incredible companies that have performed exactly as I hoped they would. However, as an active investor, you have to look at opportunity cost. These tech giants have had a monster run, while the crypto market is currently experiencing a violent, temporary dip. By trimming my winners, I'm not saying these stocks are finished. I'm saying I see a way to grow that capital faster elsewhere right now. I'm taking some chips off the table to play a high conviction hand in the crypto space. Why crypto? Because what we are seeing right now is a classic flush out. In every bull cycle, there are moments where the market drops just enough to scare the people who don't have a thesis. These weak hands panic, they sell their Bitcoin and Ethereum at the bottom, and they provide the liquidity for institutional and savvy investors to scoop up the floor. I see this dip as a gift. It's a reset that clears the deck for the next leg up. While others are fearful, I'm using my tech profits to buy the fear. I didn't just buy a little bit, I rebalanced aggressively. I took that $13,500 and immediately rotated over $13,000 of it into 5 key assets. Ethereum, ETHA, I picked up 330 shares across 2 trades. Solana, BSOL and SALT, I added 250 shares of BSOL and 115 shares of SALT to capture that ecosystem's growth. Bitcoin, IBIT and BITU, I grabbed 70 shares of IBIT and 30 shares of the BITU for that extra leverage. This gives me a diversified crypto base that is now primed for a recovery, funded entirely by the gains I've made in the Nasdaq. This is how you stay ahead of the curve. You don't wait for the news to tell you it's safe to buy. You harvest your winners, keep your core positions in great companies like Meta and Amazon, but remain mobile enough to strike when another asset class gets unfairly punished. I'm now positioned for the crypto rebound with $555 in fresh cash still sitting on the sidelines. If the flushout continues, I'm ready. Are you trimming your winners to buy the dip, or are you holding tight? Let me know your strategy below.